What's up, you guys? Okay, today we are making our own meal. We are at the Budapest Makery right now. It's a DIY kitchen where you come in and you prepare your own meal. They give you all the ingredients, everything that you need, and you prepare it right here. We've got stovetops, we've got ovens over there. So these are the two meals that we're creating. This is a very traditional Hungarian meal, and then this one is a not as traditional Hungarian meal, but we thought it looked really good.
Yeah, it's got shrimpies.
Shrimpies, linguine, you know, you can't go wrong there. And we watched this video here and it tells us everything that we have to do and how to prepare the meal. Should we get started?
Yeah, babe, gear up. You do not want to spill on those clothes after all the laundry we've been doing. Go ahead.
Alright guys, you know we only have limited clothes on this adventure. These might actually be a good thing to invest in just long term.
Yeah, just taking aprons.
We can't get our clothes dirty. You guys always comment on how Shell has all these cream and white colored clothes. I don't know how she keeps them clean either.
They're not very clean.
Alright, ready. We are all geared up, ready to make our Hungarian dinner here at the Makery here in Budapest. And we couldn't be more excited about it. A, because it's food. You know us, we love food. And B, because we get to make some authentic Hungarian food.
I'm just excited to cook it ourselves. I mean, you know, we've been cooking little meals here and there in our Airbnb, you know, and they're usually pretty like boring, I would say. They're not too like in depth or anything like that. But we get to cook a full-on like chef meal. And those of you out there who actually know me personally know that I love cooking shows. Like cooking shows and baking shows are like my go-to shows. I love them. I'm so entertained by them. I was telling Daniel the other day, maybe I should go to culinary school. I'm not that good of a cook. I just like
That's why you go to school though. But
yeah,
you love
I
it.
go to school and learn how to be better.
Literally in our Airbnb, we have a little TV and it has Netflix on it and cooking shows have been on non-stop.
Yeah, when I'm editing, I just have a cooking show on in the back. If I'm cleaning, cooking show in the back. It's just great. That or like Seinfeld or The Office, you know, the staples.
She's really good, guys. I'm really excited about this. They're gonna bring out our platters of raw ingredients and we watch the recipes here on these devices, iPads. Basically, make our own dinner.
This will be cool. I'm excited. Let's get started. Does this go here or here?
Shell, what do you do with that?
I don't know. I don't even know what this is. This all looks so good. These ingredients look so fresh and yummy.
We're cooking two dishes tonight, two different dishes. One is the Lecso that Shell is preparing. That's gonna be the Hungarian traditional dish. And then we're doing a shrimp dish and I'm gonna be cooking that one. We're gonna try each other's dishes, decide who cooked it better. So we wish you guys could try so you could be an unbiased third party letting us know who cooked it better. Maybe the presentation you can vote on, but the taste, I'm sorry, we're not gonna be able to share that with you.
All right, we got all of our raw ingredients here and we're gonna get started. I believe we're making rolls, which I'm really excited about, but I'm also nervous about because I feel like bread is sometimes hard, but maybe not, probably not here. Let's get started.
They actually make this really easy to do. They lay out the raw ingredients exactly as you see it in the instructions on the tablet. So you know exactly what you're grabbing. You don't have to guess like, oh, is this water? Is this plant milk? Because it's like exactly as it shows. You're doing great, Shell.
It doesn't look like theirs.
Our Airbnb is literally like right next door and we have walked by this place almost every day. And last night we walked by it and Shell popped in and asked him about it and it sounded so cool that we had to come. Letting some water boil here real quick.
It doesn't boil. I think it just gets hot.
It just gets hot.
I really don't know. What I'm currently attempting to make is Lecso, I believe. It's a traditional Hungarian stew. Maybe I'll stir him around. He's stirring his around. Maters are going into a little ice bath here after being in here for, couldn't tell you how long they were in there for.
Oh boy.
My ice bath is gonna overflow. I feel like his are floating. Okay, paprika is going in next, and we have quickly come to learn that this spice is the epitome of Hungary. It is in everything.
It's in their blood.
Everything Hungarian.
Maybe that's why blood is red.
Maybe. So we're going in.
You realize there's like no time limit here? You look like you're on a baking competition.
I feel like it's because this guy's going so fast, and you watch him do one step, and then you're like, wait, what the heck is the step after that? Because he goes so fast.
You know what? This is looking fantastic.
What do you think? Kind of looks like a pot of mush to me.
I love mush.
The moment I've been waiting for. I love them. Gotta be gentle. Don't want to burst their bubbles. Rolls are going in the oven. 10 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Let's go back to the oven.
Alright, Chelle's finished up with her meal. Really grateful for the aprons right now. This looks like it would maybe not come out of your clothes if you got it on it. It's a messy one, but it smells delicious. Chelle, the rolls look perfect. I think you executed this very well.
Thank you, thank you.
Only taste will tell.
This is really hot. That's actually really good. I'm really proud of myself here.
I think it turned out visually beautifully. I need to try it still.
Yeah, you taste. This is great.
Shelly's Lecso, we're about to try it. If you think the portions look small, it's because we're sharing single portions, doing two different dishes. Oh, the bun. Wow, Chelle.
Good?
Really good. All right, let's try this. I really want a mater.
Good?
Really good. This should have been on Hungarian food tour. Chelle, good job.
Yeah.
Crap. This is really good. Alright guys, my time to shine. We're doing some shrimp skewers here. Chelle's dish was prepared expertly. It was delicious, but I'm still excited about this one.
Okay, what's step one here, chef? What you cooking?
I think you grab the prawns and you do this.
Wait, really? Did you watch your video here? To taste, which usually means all the seasoning.
Yeah, probably going heavy on this.
With Daniel, if anything's to taste, he uses all of it.
I mean, how am I supposed to taste it? Alright, a little bit of oil here. I've never done this garlic before.
What are you doing?
Grating it, like cheese.
Is that cheese?
No. Should I use both cloves? I love garlic. I'm not making it look glamorous, but it's gonna taste good. Oh yeah. I love.
Nice technique.
Love garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger combo is a tough one to beat, I
It's the
think.
best.
Ooh, look at it starting to brown. Gotta get those good.
I'm ready. Perfect size. Guys, this place is kind of cool because it's just like a social, interactive atmosphere. Like there's room for 4 people at each little station. And Chelle and I are obviously doing it by ourselves. It'd be fun to have a group of 4 here, you know, making food, having fun, chatting. A lot different vibe than just a normal restaurant. I think it's a lot more fun.
Oh. Okay, you can't really tell, but the kitchen is like really smoky right now, and I think it's because of our shrimpies.
We don't have a vent hood above us.
We don't have a vent hood above us. The other cooking stations have a vent hood above them, but our shrimpies maybe got like a little bit charred. I don't know. But the kitchen's so smoky. Oh, Daniel's coughing on the smoke. So who gets the 2 and then the 3?
I took the 3.
All right, style points, I would say Daniel 100% wins.
Are you serious?
We haven't tasted it yet though. Your dish is a lot prettier than mine was.
Alright, do you want to try it first?
No, you have to try it first. You cooked it. So you have to try it first.
I have to say, before I try this, when you're competing at this level that we are, it's really hard to determine a winner because we're just both the best in our class. So, this might be really hard, but here we go. Do a little bit of pasta.
A little bit of pasta and a shrimpy.
Need a shrimpy. This isn't gonna be pretty, so I'm sorry.
Is it that good? Your eyes just rolled to the back of your head. Is it that good?
It's that good. I don't know. I'm a sucker for pasta. I love pasta.
Great, so Daniel wins. Listen, all you win is that you picked a better dish.
Yours was fantastic.
I cooked bread.
That was really good. Yours was much harder. I will say, shells was much harder to prepare, and it was absolutely delicious. But this just hits home with me. I love pasta. You need to try it.
Cooked, right?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Well,
That's really good.
yeah, right.
I would pick this meal. I think this one tastes better.
There's no clear winner in that.
We cooked very different meals, but I like this meal a lot better.
So I think the real winner here tonight is the Makery Budapest.
I agree, and providing us the recipe for that delicious shrimp pasta. Listen, the traditional Hungarian vegetable stew was really good too, but I think we both enjoyed that shrimpy pasta. Thank you so much, Budapest Makery, for hosting us. This was awesome.
It was delicious, guys. If you are ever here in Budapest, want a fun evening out with dinner included, make sure you check out the Makery. And I know we have a lot of Hungarian viewers out there. Get down in the comments. Let us know if you've ever been here before. And if you haven't,
What are you waiting for? Come check it out. This place is awesome.
it was really awesome. We had a ton of fun.
The night is not over. We have one more task before we say goodbye to you. And it's not doing our own dishes.
I know, that's the best part. Dinner was fantastic.
Dinner was delicious.
But now we are on a mission, guys. We leave here pretty soon, and we still have a few forint, that's the money here in Hungary, that we kind of want to get rid of before we skip down.
We need to spend it.
We need to spend it. And what better to spend it on than a little bit of dessert?
So we're on the hunt to find some dessert that we can spend the last bit of our, how much do we have left?
I think we have about $1,200, which is maybe
$1,300
$3 or $4.
Okay, $3 or $4 dessert. Here we go. These 20s, 2, 4, 6.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our dessert. We still have change to spare. Okay, we got 2 cake pops. They're chocolate, and that's all we could afford. But I'm really excited about it. Blue one and a pink one. Whose is who? I call the blue one. Just kidding. That's good.
These things will always remind me of Mindy's Best cake pops. She's the first person that ever gave me a cake pop.
Really?
And I love them. I love them.
Mindy, you make really good cake pops.
Your cake pops are really good. These ones are alright.
She said this was a brownie, and I think it is.
Oh.
Aren't normal cake pops made with cake?
Yeah, it's like chocolate brownie in there.
Hence the cake pop.
You should be a chef.
This was like a brownie pop. I'm savoring mine.
I think we have a couple pastries inside, so I'm probably gonna go for those next. I ate mine too fast.
I forgot we got those pastries.
Kind of wish we had a few more forint.
Me too.
They had macaroons in there too. Macarons, however it's said.
I have cake pop in my mouth. Do you roll the R there?
Macaron? I don't know. I
Macaron.
don't know how to say it.
There we go.
They had them though.
Macaron, macaroon, macron. I don't know how you say it, guys.
You know.
The little puffy sandwich, okay? That one.
The sandwich cookie.
The sandwich cookie.
We would have got some, but we kind of vowed to not pull the card out and just use the little bit of cash we had left.
We had a goal to use up the rest of our cash, and we achieved that goal because what we had left, we put in our little tip jar.
We had $12.90. We spent $11.80, and then the tip jar got the rest.
And she said thank you.
We were just thinking about and talking about how I think we went and ventured all through the town of Budapest to see the sights and to go on a street food tour on the hottest days we've been in the city.
Yeah, the hottest days since we've left America, I would say. The hottest days we've experienced are the 2 days walking a city for hours on end. No water, you know, it was not like we were jumping in the water. Yesterday and today have been really yummy weather.
And we've been indoors on the most
Working.
cloudy, cool weathered days. Kind of screwed that one up, but oh. It is
We
what
didn't
it is.
know.
You never know what Mother Nature's gonna do.
No, you never know.
Anyways, guys, we're out here on the balcony right now of our Airbnb, just enjoying a little bit of the late afternoon, early evening cool breeze, and probably gotta go inside and start doing some actual work. But the Makery here in Budapest, thank you again for having us. We did learn they do have some other locations, one in Vienna, and then maybe a couple more here in Europe, but the first one is this one here in Budapest. The owners are Hungarian, and it was great.
It was
We had a great
awesome.
time. Thanks for having us.
We hope you guys enjoy enjoyed this fun little cooking video. One traditional Hungarian and one, I mean, I feel like we've gotten a lot of Hungarian food since we've been here. Like, that's kind of been a little bit of a theme of the videos, revolved around food, but you guys know us, we really love food. So we hope you guys enjoyed this fun little cooking video. Make sure you come back tomorrow because we have kind of an exciting announcement.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Now for the smoked paprika, which we have quickly come to learn. He's moving. Oh, wait. No, he put other vegetables in first. Hold the phone.
Shell's eyes have been glued to the screen.
I missed a step on the last one. I'm supposed to put my other veggies in.
Someone wants to prepare the better dish.
Okay, the onions are in, homeboy. I did that.